Welcome. Today we're going to be writing our first C program. So let's get to it. So every C program I'll be calling this welcome.c, and every C program have a .c extension, as you can see over here. And I'll be naming our first C program welcome.c because it's going to welcome me into the C programming language. Alright, so every C program starts with a preprocessor directive, which is the include stdio.h, which is a standard input and output library or a header file, and I'll be following it up with a comment which describe what our program do, and this is just going to print welcome to C programming. So it's a good practice to comment your program so that others can have an idea of what your program is all about. Then this will be returning 0 because it's going to exit properly. Every code that executes successfully in a C program returns 0. Alright, so the next thing I'll be doing is defining the main function, and I'll be calling this int made void. Okay, then I'll open my curly braces, and inside it I can just print f, and this is supposed to be small letter, printf with an open bracket. Then inside that I can write in a welcome to C programming and include a new line because the C program will not do that for me. Alright, so after that I can just simply return 0 and close my curly braces. So we have just written our first C program in definitely C. Alright, so printf is a function that prints to the standard output welcome to C programming, and its main is the function calling printf. Wow, I'm talking gibberish, but I'll show how all that works shortly. So I'll save this, and over here you can see our welcome.c. Now in order to run this program I have to use GCC, which is GNU compiler collection, to run this program, which create an executable that can easily be run on my terminal. If you have an IDE like Visual Studio Code, you can also use that. Alright, so now our program have been successfully compiled. Let's see how it goes, and we can see it welcome to C programming. Alright, so C program is a middle level procedural programming language. Middle level language, you have the high, low, and you have the middle. High level language like Python and JavaScript. Low level language, the assembly language. You have a C program which is just in between the high and the low level languages. Alright, and C program is still one of the hot program although not easy to learn for a beginner, but it's a program still in use to date. And C is a procedural language, like I said, because it's dependent on functions to run. Those functions act as a module in order to run them. Okay, so we just wrote our first C program and we ran it with this, and you can see welcome to C programming on our screen. So here are some of the applications of the C program. And you can see system software development because C is widely used in system software development, OS, and the rest. Application software development, game development, and my personal favorite, the educational purposes, because C was one of the, let's say, founding let's say founding fathers or founding programming syntax, because most of or some of these modern day programming language were all derived from C. And that is all for this video. In the coming video, I'll be taking you through C program, C programming, and how can I use that to build softwares and some concept in C programming. I'll get to learn all that. Alright, that is all for now. Take care. If you've not liked this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on that notification button to be aware of my content as it drops. Thank you.